How to make tickets online. So first of all, we have to start to realize something that we're gonna start to realize it, as you can understand and think, still to be really one of things that should be really satisfied with what we're gonna start to really understand and see it in my opinion. So what we're gonna do is about right now to start to create your layer text. Start to see this layer tickets. Okay, right click on it and convert it to vector. So we have to start to click on something that is converting this to vector, and really this really to be enhanced. Convert the shape to vector selection. Now you're gonna see right here that it should be really converted to vector. Use the stroke tool. Okay, however, the side is, you should know that there is some kind of combination about right click here and then start to choose the stroke that we can start to see like properties, and here maybe some kind of really actually what kind of ticket you want in outlined thing.